Hi guys, welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. Today we're going to be creating a Valentine's Day set. This is a 3D balloon bubbly type set. First I'm going in with the colour Prima and I'm just painting this all over the entire nail. And in the lamp for 60 seconds. Just going in with the second coat of the same colour, just to give us a nice opaque base. And now I'm going to matte this down before we do our design with some matte top coat. With gel residue remover and a lint-free wipe, we're just going to give it a nice wipe over, just to make sure there's no little tacky bits or anything before we go in with our next colour. I'm just taking this on a nail art brush and painting a love heart. Once you're happy with that, pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm taking one of our loose glitter pots, popping this on a palette, and I'm going to be using the jelly stamper method to apply this glitter. So after your love heart comes out of the lamp, do not wipe off the tacky layer, and this is what our glitter is going to stick to. Just dusting away any excess, and we are left with the glitter stuck to only the design. Now I'm going in with the colour Heartbreaker, and again I'm just repeating the same steps that I've done with the pink love heart, just this time in red. In the lamp it goes before the glitter. Now here comes the fun part. We're taking Clear as Day Builder Gel, and I'm just painting down a slip layer. Just adding some of that pink glitter we used on the love heart in with our builder gel. Giving it a good mix, making sure it's all incorporated. Now on top of our uncured slip layer, we're going to go in with our thicker layer of builder gel. The slip layer ensures that the builder gel stays where you want it to stay. So anywhere you've put that slip layer, that's where your builder gel is going to go. Popping it in the lamp. And now we're going to go in with a second layer. This is going to really give us that raised bubble 3D effect. Also a little tip, if you find that your builder gel is starting to run in places you don't want it to, flip the whole nail upside down for a couple of seconds and gravity will just drag it back down, and then you can manipulate it and put it in the places you want it to go in. And here I am just repeating the process. Everything that we've done on the pink love heart, we're now going to do on the red love heart. Now for the background, we're mixing our colour Prima in with Clear as Day Builder. And giving it a good mix, making sure everything is all incorporated. Here I'm just taking a liner brush and I'm adding that same slip layer down that we've done before, making sure to stay a nice distance away from the love hearts, just so that when you put your bigger beads down it doesn't all merge in together. Just remember, anywhere you put this slip layer is where your bigger beads of Builder Gel are going to even out and disperse to, so just be very mindful when placing this layer down. Once you're happy with your slip layer, you're going to go in with your thicker, bigger bead of Builder Gel. Just popping this all over the nail where that slip layer was, building it up however you want to build it up. You can also try this design out with other shapes and things as well. You could do little lips for Valentine's Day, you could do stars, you could do anything really. Don't forget to tag us in your ideas and designs though, if you do. Here I am just holding that nail upside down, letting gravity do the work to pull it back down a little bit. And the same process as before, we're just going in with another slip layer. Once you're happy with your second slip layer, we're going to go in again with our thicker bead to build up that nail. And finally, we're going in with our third round of slip layer and bead of Builder Gel. Don't forget to cure for at least 60 seconds in between these, as it's a nice thick layer of builder and we don't want to leave any uncured gel on the nail. Popping it in the lamp, and once you're happy with how it is, you can go in with your top coat to seal in your beautiful design you've just created. Make sure that you're applying it nice and thin and evenly where the love hearts meet the pink background, as you don't want your top coat to pool in between all those lines you've just created, because then it'll all just kind of merge into one design and you'll be undoing all your hard work. And that is the final nail. Thank you for watching. If you want any of the products used in the video, they'll be tagged down below. See you later. Bye.